there, YouTube family, Dr. Fit and Fabulous, and I just wanted to give you some updates on Mrs. America. Let's see, today is Friday, so I leave next Thursday. We have less than a week until I take off for Las Vegas, Nevada, which is where Mrs. America will be hosted. And preparations are going great. I have been physically preparing with my coach, doing walking practice, and with my nutrition and fitness coach, Keto Savage, Live Savage. Workouts are going great. Been leaning out really nicely. I think I'm gonna bring the best package that I can to Mrs. America. Mentally preparing as well. And I have more clothes and dresses and shoes in my bedroom right now than I have ever had in my entire life. It looks like I'm probably gonna have maybe 4 suitcases when I head to Mrs. America. So I'll make sure and film everything along the way, and I'm hoping to be dropping daily YouTube videos for you guys so you can keep up to date on everything that's happening in Las Vegas. I'm headed to my final hair appointment today. We're gonna get these locks all freshened up. My Amazing Brows by Michelle Strom. If you are ever interested in microblading, I was terrified to do it, but it turned out wonderful. So go check her out. I also wanna thank my amazing sponsors, Keto Coach, Redmond Real Salt, Certified Piedmontese, and Ancestral Supplements, and so many other people that have helped me along the way. I'm going to try to give you some shout outs today.
Well, the second one was a little bit treacherous. The first one, I don't know.
Okay, my hair is done, you guys. Look how good this looks. It's crazy how long it's gotten. I will have extensions in for the pageant, but my hair is ready to go. Okay, it's Monday morning, and here I am at the gym, still working hard in the gym, lifting heavy things. My coach, Robert Sykes, Live Savage, we've been dialing things in. Body composition is right where we want it, and we feel ready. So I got a few things left this week, some surgery, babies to deliver and such, and I'm gonna leave on Thursday. So let's get after it here in the gym. Oh my God, you guys, they got the Omaha Bakery. Oh, look at these.
Yours are over there.
Oh.
You get the special.
Look at this. Keto bars. Keto bars, you guys, they love me so much. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Ugh. Thank you guys so much. Bless your hearts. Bless your hearts. Thank you. Seriously. Good luck. Thank you. We gotta bring it home now.
That's right. Good luck. You got this.
Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, I'm at Mod Dermatology with the best esthetician ever, Katie. Say hi, Katie. Doing my last facial before Mrs. America, and then we're taking off. So I'm doing a microderm, and we're gonna get this face shining for this pageant. So stay tuned. All done, you guys. It's looking fabulous. Final preparations are happening. Got some surgery, clinic, and things to finish this week. And then, viva Las Vegas.